Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the top best iPhone 14 Pro clear cases 2022 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. The brand new iPhone 14 series was just unveiled by Apple, and we've got two 6.1-inch models to choose from. Apple has made them with 100% recycled aluminum, but who will want to risk damaging their brand new iPhone? Clear cases offer extra protection while retaining a minimalist look and true aesthetic appeal. In light of this, here are some of the best 14 Pro clear cases. I have prepared this video guide for the best iPhone 14 Pro clear cases, so let's get started. 6. Mkeke military grade protection. The Mkiki transparent case has raised bezels to protect the camera and screen from surface scratches and shockproof airbags for additional drop protection. The case for the iPhone 14 Pro includes 4 corners with airbag-like built-in finishes and a bumper thickness that is raised by 3.9 mm, both of which can efficiently deflect pressure applied to the phone and safeguard it against drops. This case allows the MagSafe charger to charge the iPhone 14 Pro, but it does not allow for a magnetic connection between the charger or any MagSafe accessory. Rather than expecting it to lock on at any other angle, you would need to set the case/device combo flat on the MagSafe charger. 5. Tauros Diamond Clear. An anti-yellowing technology and military-grade protection are built into this case. Airbags protect the iPhone from impact, while raised lips protect the camera. The outside is made of TPU, a material that's both pleasant to touch and firm to hold. The wireless charging feature is supported, but the MagSafe feature is not. Using 2022 Transternity polymer isolation anti-yellowing technology, this clear iPhone 14 Pro case provides 99.99% transparency, preventing discoloration from UV rays, sweat, and cosmetics. It keeps your iPhone 14 Pro's original sophisticated hue looking great while effortlessly resisting daily scratches. 4. Spigen Ultra Hybrid. MagFit Spigen offers inexpensive, high-quality iPhone 14 Pro transparent cases. A non-distorted MagSafe connection is provided via the inbuilt magnetic ring. Shock and unintentional drops are absorbed by the mill-grade drop protection and air cushion technology. The higher bezels around the camera module and screen also provide surface scratch protection. Additionally, pushing the textured buttons provides dependable feedback. 3. ESR Classic Kickstand Case with Halo Lock. A premium metal kickstand is included with the ESR Clear case for the 14 Pro. As a result, you may position your iPhone between 0 and 85 degrees at the optimal angle. Place and go wireless charging is possible because to the MagSafe compatibility. With air guard corners, your iPhone will be shielded from drops and bumps. It includes a tough acrylic back that resists scratches and never turns yellow to keep your case looking brand new and showcasing the true elegance of your iPhone for longer. Raised screen borders protect the camera bump from the surface. The exact cutouts never interfere with charging. 2. Apple Clear Case with MagSafe. The Apple-designed clear cover for iPhone 14 Pro is slim, light, and manufactured with a blend of flexible materials and polycarbonate. As a result, it is comfortable to hold. So, increase security while showing the stunning colored aluminum finish on the iPhone 14 Pro. The transparent casing fits your phone like a glove, hiding the buttons. Both the interior and exterior have a scratch-resistant coating, similar to other clear cases. To prevent fading over time, the material also has anti-yellowing technology. You may receive speedy wireless charging and a potent magnetic attachment, thanks to the MagSafe compatibility. Simply keep the case on your iPhone while it charges using a Qi-compatible charger or your MagSafe charger. 1. Casco Strong Magnetic Clear. This top iPhone cases from the company have a strong magnet on the back that works in conjunction with the additional back clip. These enable users to effortlessly keep their phone in place while maintaining its stability and security in their hand. The superior Bayer ultra-clear TPU and PC material is what gives the product its crystal clear appearance. It's one of the durable and transparent fabrics on the market today. So that we might admire the iPhone 14 Pro's original appearance, Casco made sure to incorporate it with their best iPhone cases. According to Casco, the magnetic force for this feature may be up to 1.5 times higher than the official model and 2 times higher than the traditional model. The visible magnetic ring on the back of the phone, which is firmly docked and fixed with the case, may magnetize with other objects easily, stack precisely on the ring, and merge, keeping it in place. So guys, this was the video about the best iPhone 14 Pro clear cases. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.